Today's cup of crazy, 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 crazy. Okay, today I'm gonna give you all the cure to hiccups. I figured that it was a need among society because I seen that Nate from NF had to actually cancel a concert because he got the hiccups. Well, if you ever come across this, man, you're welcome. The rest of you, this is awesome and it really does work. Okay, what you do is you take a glass of water. Then you put a knife in it. For some reason, this works. I don't know if it changes the molecular compound of the water or if the knife hitting you in the forehead kind of snaps you out of that mind frame. But you do this. And you just let the knife hit you in the forehead. And you drink the whole glass. I don't have the hiccups right now. But if you did, they'd stop probably by the end of the glass. Anyways, that would be my service to society today. Okay. You know, mind power. The power of the mind. All these people talk this stuff, right? And it's true. When people do focus on something, they receive that harvest, right? If you look at, for example, Fort McMurray, right? Before they had the fires, a lot of people were like, oh, oil's bad, that's such a horrible place, right? Right? And people collectively were sending them negative energy, okay? So the entire town, it like lit up. It was a really bad fucking fire, right? People had to evacuate and everything. Well, then what I think happened was people started to feel bad about things and were like, oh no, Fort McMurray's on fire, so, or people just started sending these vibes, right? Send rain, send rain, send rain, right? And then Fort McMurray flooded. It had a fire and then it flooded, okay? But the thing is, it shows the importance of being careful of what you say, right? Because those people didn't say or pray or think that just put the fires out. No, they thought that they knew the best way. Send rain, send rain, send rain, right? And it was too much rain rather than just extinguish the fire. That is probably one of the main reasons why I dread the fact when someone says they're praying for me. Because a lot of people pray wrong. And it's like, no, don't you stick that nasty juju on me. I'm good, don't pray for me, don't curse me. But the thing is, people don't realize what they do. They think that what they're doing is good. And it might not always be. So, words are important. Be careful. And that's today's public service announcement. Oh, yeah. And,